Taxis in Paraguay, Uber. This is a comfort one and it's coming with a Chang'an CX-20. You're gonna see it right now, it's coming. It took 1 minute to get a comfort here in Villamorra. Other areas of Paraguay might take 7, 8, 9 minutes, but here it's pretty fast. However, you don't have Uber Black, but you have Uber Moto, which is fun. Try it out. At least you have to try that once. So you can see what's comfort here. It cost us $3 for a 2-kilometer ride, and we're getting on this car. This is the maximum luxury that Uber allows you to pay for. So $3 and comfort. This is what it looks like. Now you can understand a little bit why first-class citizens that live here in Paraguay and are really desiring this first-class lifestyle. One, they're hiring full-time a chauffeur that is available 24/7 for them. They buy a car or lease a car so that the chauffeur can drive them around in top-notch cars. You can have minimum salary here for $350. If you're paying somebody $600, you're doubling the salary. It's like crazy amount of money. So the chauffeur can be available 24 hours. They usually have a guest house they can live in, and yeah, they also have food that the maid of the owner, the owner of the house, or the first-class citizen in this case, is cooking food for the family and also for all the entourage. So the driver or the personal trainer or anybody else that is living in the house or visiting the house often, for example, for breakfast before they depart or after they bring the first-class citizen to the house in Paraguay, then they say, no, you stay, quédate con nosotros, you have dinner. And you know, the maid cooks for everybody. So usually this combo of driver and maid, you can go 500 each, 600 each, and you're gonna really getting the top-notch ones of these, the best cooks, the best maids, the best drivers. And gyms are pretty okay. You don't need to get or build your own gym at your place. There's Smart Fit, there's multiple gyms, even the hotels or the condos itself, that they have amazing gyms. So that's not a problem usually. This is why if you're staying here long-term, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, or even if you're coming here multiple seasons, or let's say 3 months every season, maybe it's not worth it, all the the hassle of doing this when you are just coming for a few months. But if you're coming frequently, you can have somebody that next year when you're coming back, they'll probably still be here. You can even pay them some extra months of lower work, or you can pay them 1 month before you arrive, so they are pending and prepared for you. And then yeah, when you're coming here, you have this top-notch service with an extra $1,800, $1,500, and you have a completely different experience. It's one of the places that you don't want to be cheap, because it's so cheap to have a next level quality of life. Like you can really jump 2 or 3 stages of quality of life compared to other cities where this would cost $5,000, $6,000 if you wanted this and be first class. And I'm curious to know, what do you want to know about Paraguay? I know that this topic, like, great, Miquel, you say I can hire somebody for 400. Let's do it. Where do I start? That's topic for another video. But what other questions you have? Let us know in the comments. And actually, we're gonna put this next video, how to hire your entourage in Paraguay, over here. Check it out.